j'espère que tout va bien. Eh ben, comme tu peux voir, aujourd'hui, c'est un plan, c'est une leçon qui est un peu différent parce que cette fois-ci, on va discuter sur le thème de la famille. Et les leçons se focalisent sur le vocabulaire qui s'entoure la famille, les parents, les fils, les membres de la famille en fait, et en plus ceux qui mangent aussi ensemble. C'est-à-dire que normalement, en France et normalement les familles européennes, ils mangent ensemble. Ils ne mangent pas dans les salles différentes, c'est-à-dire que le petit garçon ne va pas manger dans sa chambre pour continuer à jouer avec son jeu vidéo. En fait, ils vont se mettre à table, ils vont s'entourer ici, ils vont manger en fait. Euh, et en plus que ça, c'est normal pour que les familles invitent les voisins, invitent les amis pour manger avec eux. Ils vont pas beaucoup chez les restaurants pour faire des grands dîners comme ça. C'est des choses qu'ils utilisent pour les célébrations ou pour les moments intimes, tu vois. Mais en vrai, ils mangent ensemble. Aussi, c'est normal que les enfants viennent de l'école pour rentrer chez eux, pour manger le déjeuner. Et c'est pour quelle raison qu'ils ont 1 heure pour dîner, le déjeuner. Eh ben, c'est ça qu'on va explorer, c'est ça qu'on va faire cette semaine-ci. Vous allez simplement compléter les exercices qui sont autour du vocabulaire qui sont autour du thème de la famille. Et puis, ça c'est pour mardi. Vous allez compléter ça. C'est simplement un revue de vocabulaire. Maman, papa, garçon, fille, sœur, frère, demi-sœur, demi-frère, tante, oncle, neveu, nièce, belle-mère, belle-père, grand-mère, grand-père, et les mots comme ça, les cousins, cousines, tous les mots qui s'entourent la famille. Et pour jeudi, ce que vous allez faire, je veux que vous focalisez sur votre famille. Je veux que vous faites une présentation sur votre propre famille avec des photos qui est ta maman, ton oncle, ta tante, ton père, ta grand-mère, ton grand-père, ou les personnes qui vivent avec toi, tes cousines et tout, ta tante, ton oncle et tout. Je veux que vous faites une présentation par Google Slides. Et entre ça, je veux que vous preniez des photos clic-clic de ce que vous mangez en famille. So this is what we're going to do. So on Tuesday, as you can see, today's lesson is really different because the focus is on family. And what you all are going to be doing for Tuesday's assignment is simply reviewing the vocabulary that's associated with family. And as to where you're going to be describing them, right, and their personality and how they look. And so what am I talking about? Miss Lewis, am I going to need pictures? Mm-hmm. You're going to need pictures to describe the people that are in your family. Now, it can be the people that live directly in your household, or it can be, the ones that you are closely knit to, right? But I want you to use those in your presentational, PowerPoint slide. Of course, all of this is going to be in French, right? And then on one of the slides, what I want you to do is I want you to take pictures of the things that, you all typically eat. Like what do you all eat? Let's say on a normal day, because now you all are together, what does a normal breakfast look like for you all? What does, lunch look like? What does dinner look like? I want you guys to take pictures and I want you to describe the things that you are eating. Why? Because as I was explaining before in French, in France, it's very common for families to, eat together and to spend time together. Not only that, but to, invite neighbors over to eat and to, have friends come over and have big dinner parties and things like that. So I'm not necessarily saying that that is what is going on or has to go on in your family, because everybody's family has their own proper dynamics. But what I'm curious in is, how do you all, dine? Do you dine separately? Do you dine together? What are the kind of meals that you all eat? I want you to describe the meals. I'm not necessarily saying that you have to include like the recipe, but like, what's a typical thing that you eat for breakfast, and just, list the things, and then go on to lunch and list the things, and then go on to dinner and list the things. And then if you have anything that has, pictures associated with it, so this is going to be your job, right? To take pictures of the things that you're eating this week. So when your mom or dad or your grandma or your aunt or whoever it is, or whoever's doing the cooking, you guys are, eating and you're taking pictures, you're going to be like, your family's going to be like, what are you doing? Oh, it's a project. It's a project for class. And so that's what you're going to, just let them know so that everybody's okay with it. But just make sure that you, include, like I said, pictures of your family, and do this presentation. Now, we did something similar to this, in French 1, where we all introduced, family members and who they were, and slide presentations. And then in French 2, we did projects on restaurants and foods and things like that. So we're just kind of combining those two, but still the center focus is family. All right, so that's what's going to be the expectation. So Tuesday, the exercise for vocabulary review surrounding family and food, and, descriptions for, personality and so forth. And then Thursday, the Google slide presentation that is due. Well, Miss Lewis, how many slides do I need? Well, you need your introductory page, right? So please make sure that you include your name, and the date and the class period, right? And if you got a picture of yourself when you're a baby, put that in there. Or like when you were younger, that would be awesome. And then on your second slide, things regarding the people in your family. It might take 2 slides. So if you need to take 2 slides for your family, that's fine. But, 1 is a minimum. But keep in mind, you're going to have to describe each person that's in your family. So that's probably going to be 2 slides, honestly speaking. And then you have the food. So, you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Le petit déjeuner, le déjeuner et dîner. Right? So that might take 2 slides also, or 1. So at the minimum, we're talking, let's see, 1 intro slide, 2 for family, 1 for food at a minimum. So 4 slides minimum, 4 étapes, 4 pages, c'est-à-dire 4 pages au minimum sur votre présentation. So 4 slides minimum for your presentation. If you have any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me and how to reach me in Google Classroom. Of course, I'm going to include all the necessary supports for you. So, all the vocabulary that's concerning your, relatives and family and how to say that. There's also going to be supports for adjectives. You're also going to have supports for food, a list. So I'm going to try to provide you as many of those things as possible. Of course, you're going to run everything through Bon Patron, because you don't want to have a lot of errors within your presentation. Normally this would be like an assessment for you all, like as you're, we're getting towards the end of the year. And so I want to make sure that you all focus on that. Also, as a reminder, we are in week 7. So, your assignments that are due this week are going to be during the first week of June. And then your first weeks of June's assignments are going to be the middle of June. So basically that's, we end June 12th. So you want to make sure that you include all of your assignments and turn them in, or you catch up on those assignments if you haven't done so already. Ok? Eh ben, je voulais vous dire bien à vous. J'espère que vous aurez une bonne fin de semaine et que vous êtes en train de planifier ce que vous allez faire pendant cet été. Ok, d'accord. Au revoir et à bientôt.